this. Number one, less is actually more. Okay? Principle na laging tinuturo sa amin, bata pa kami. Less is always more, except in a Chinese restaurant. Okay? You eat a lot, okay? But less is actually more. Question, I want to ask you, what would happen if you actually did less? Marami sa atin, mahilig tayo maging general. Ano ibig sabihin? General merchandise, general hardware, general electronics. Ano pang mga general, di ba? Di ba? You're not known for anything, and you're trying to do so many things. What happens is you're defocused. Imagine if you're known for something, and you stand for something, then people would know who to talk to when there's a problem that would arise. Di ba? Ulitin ko simple lang Sabi ni Bonnie, kailangan mo magising, maghanap ka ng problema, solve mo. Itong problema, pag nagising ka, gusto mo mag-solve ng 100 problems, you will never solve anything. What would happen if you did less? Kumain kami sa restaurant ni Gordon Ramsay. Tapos, nung bumaba yung filet, okay. Sobrang mahal, di ba? Pero pag makita mo menu niya, simple. Ito lang. Sir, ito lang orderin nyo, ito lang orderin nyo, ito. Wow. Very simple. If you watch his Netflix, the first thing he would do in a restaurant is ask for the menu. Because if there's too many things, you won't accomplish anything. Sabi nga nila sa marketing, if you try to reach everyone, you reach no one. Less is actually more. Yung wedding photographer namin during my time, 20 years ago, was Pat D. No? So, sabi ko, Pat goes to Victory also. So, sabi ko, may tanong lang ako kasi I have to get Pat D, then I get a videographer. Sabi ko, Pat, this was 20 years ago, imagine. Sabi ko, Pat, ba't hindi ka na lang mag-video photo? Parang mas maraming income. Sabi niya, no, I won't go that route, sabi niya. Sabi ko, why? Sabi niya, I'm okay to lose income not doing videos, but I want to be the best in photography. So, sabi ni Pat, the reason I did that is because I want to be good at something. Less is actually more. Zig Ziglar said this, don't be a wandering generality, be a meaningful specific. Pag sinabi pangalan mo, ano bang problemang sinusolve mo? Sino ka ba? Trinay niyo na ba i-chat GPT yung pangalan niyo? Ha? Mga narcissist, na-try niyo na yan Okay, so, di ba? Na-try niyo na. Who is Dennis C? Magugulat ka sa nakasulat doon. Ako nag-feed nun Hindi, okay. Di ba? You'll see what people say about you and you will see if you are a wandering generality or a meaningful specific. Right? We do this anywhere. Sabi ni James Clear, focus is the art of knowing what to ignore. Right? So when I came here at Makati, 13 years ako na sa Green Hills, I moved here. I said, okay, I'm going to pastor Makati Church. Hiningi ko agad yung menu. Anong ginagawa nyo? Dami. First, order of the day. Cut off the menu. There are only two things that we'll do. We'll provide a good worship service, and we will go and share Jesus to the community. Two things only, and we'll be good at it. Right? That's why we invite you to our Sunday service. Because hindi kami nahiya na, nako, baka hindi okay. No. We only do two things, and we do it every week. 52 times a year. Pag hindi ka pa ba gumaling sa 52 times a year times 10 years, ewan ko na. Right? Because you only do two things. But if I try to do everything, ako nang mag-research kung sino talaga si Antichrist, kailan darating si Lord, verse by verse ko kayong lahat. Kung marami akong gagawin at gusto kong ikapi kayong lahat, then I won't be able to do anything. Focus is the art of knowing what to ignore. When you're starting in your 20s, it would be good for you to say, what are the things that I really need to put my energies and my skill sets? Saan ako pwede gumaling? What is something that I could master? Right? Gusto niyo mag-live selling? Mag-Shopee Academy kayo. Mag-aral kayo. Hindi pwedeng, hindi, basta madali lang yan. No, you cannot. Because you've ignored everything, wala ka ng isa sideline dahil mag-aaral ka, dahil gusto mo maging magaling sa isang bagay. Hindi pwede pag sinabi, Dennis, hindi ko nga alam ano nga, di ba ano yan? Artista ba yan? Or, di ba parang, pag masyadong marami, di nila magets. Kaya ngayon clear, si Dennis pastor yan ng Makati. Hindi motivational speaker yan. Hindi yan pumunta sa labas every week para magsalita. I've said no to many things already. Are those income opportunities? Of course it is. But hey, that's not my job. I know what's clear and I have to ignore the other things so that I'll be good at what I do. Sabi sa Bible, Hebrews 12, let us throw off everything that hinders and the sin that so easily entangles, and let us run with perseverance the race marked out for us. The clear focus of letting go of things. And a lot of things you have to let go. Right? Kaya may trabaho kami mga pastor. A lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of business people, you have to let go of some things. Greed. The sin of greed. The sin of wanting it fast. Impatience. Sin of laziness. You don't want to endure. Hindi ka talaga tatagal. Pwede ko pang laliman, pero sa Sunday na kayo maten. Right? Marami pa kayo sa puso nyo na kailangan natin tanggalin. Yung intention at motivation nyo, kung pera-pera lang yan, nako, hindi ka tatagal dyan. Tapos ka na. Because you've lost the meaning of why you do things. That's why the Bible tells us you need to learn how to focus and choose to ignore even what the world is saying. Mamamarket ka talaga, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan, dapat ganito. No. There's that sin of greed and of money and the love of it that I need to let go so that I could flourish and fly. Okay? Learn the science of channel capacity. Ito yung sinabi ko, bakit 3 points lang ako. I could go 18 by the way, pero 3 lang. Why? It's called channel capacity. Ang bawat tao daw, meron lang tayong kapasidad to understand things. If I give you 10 now, you'll only get 2 to 3. So that's why I'm giving you 3 today. I can give you more, by the way. What does practice channel capacity mean? Number 1, limit your focus to 3 priorities. To maximize productivity and clarity, focus on no more than 3 key tasks or goals at a time. So you wake up every morning, 3 goals at a time. Alamin mo, saan ko lalagay energy ko? So kung sa negosyo yan, ito muna yung task ko. Kailangan ko alamin yung environment, yung system, and then do this, and then marketing. Yan lang pag-aralan ko. I'll give myself a month or 2 months. I'll study the system before I even jump off and do it. Marami sa atin, talon agad, hindi pa nag-aaral. So you need key tasks. Right? So limit your focus there. Number 2 is to simplify decision making. Avoid overloading yourself with unnecessary choices. Stick to clear, well-defined steps for efficiency. Right? Simplify mo. Ang dami talaga nating ginagawa. Bakit yan? Anong sistema yan? Kakarinig ko lang kanina ng news. Sino may head yung magaling na head ng mga nag-aayos ng EDSA ngayon sa mga airport natin? This guy was in an interview and he said, I just went to Siargao. Sabi niya, uminit ulo ko. Ba't uminit po ulo nyo? Kasi 200 lang yung pwedeng maupo sa airport ng Siargao. Pero sikip na sikip, mga foreigner, mga kababayan natin, ayaw na mag-Siargao after. And that's the highest now, it has overtaken Boracay. Sabi niya, why is the system like this? Chinek niya. Sabi niya, number 1, tingnan niyo to, matatawa kayo, kasi all of us will experience this. Pagpasok mo raw ng airport, may malaking x-ray machine. Lalagay mo doon. After a few minutes, may isa pang x-ray machine. Bakit dalawa? Pre-screening, screening. Sabi niya, tanggalin mo tong isa lang. That would have been 20 more chairs. Tapos VIP room. May VIP room daw sa Siargao. Hindi pa ako naka-Siargao. Okay? So, sabi, ba't may VIP room? Walang naupo sa VIP room. Tanggalin niya yung VIP room. System. Wala nag-isip. Yung manager ng airport, hindi niya to iniisip. Bakit? yan na yun. Ganyan po. Simplified decision making. Sobrang bilis. Kailangan ko ng maraming chairs. Anong tatanggalin ko? Yeah. Yung iba, tanong muna natin sa HR. Mag-antay ka ng ilang buwan. Di ba? So ngayon, ang goal niya, from 200 to 700 seats. Yung iba, Chardon na tayo. Di ba? Why? So that when you go there, wow, sarap. Babalik ako dito. Ang ganda ng experience ko. You now increase your tourism industry. Simple lang. Maraming decision making, simple lang. Sabi ng uncle ko na si Ramon Ang, kung saan yung church doon Kasi sabi ko, uncle, baka pairam naman ng hotel mo. Okay, anyway. Sabi ni Ramon Ang, when they studied the system of the airport, the reason, 70% of the reason why flights are delayed is actually the system sa start. It's human system. Kaya pag makita mo kayo, inayos niya yung airport, yung sistema. Now, there are things he cannot control. Right? And we have to be patient with the system. But they simplify the decision-making process. Channel capacity yan Ayusin muna natin to. Yeah? Use a performance checklist. Write down your top 3 goals daily. Ayan, ito. I practice this with our church. I tell all the pastors and the staff now, give me your top 3 every day. I will read it and I'll make sure that you do it. Top 3 daily. So they write it down in our group chat. Top 3 ko for today. Top 3. Lahat kami may top 3 that we do. This keeps you from getting distracted by minor tasks. Right? So pag sinulat ng isang pastor, sermon preparation, maglalaba ako. Teka lang, ano yan? Hindi kasama yan sa job description mo. Sa misis mo yan. Top 3 mo yan sa misis mo. Right? Hindi sa akin yan. Huwag lalagay yung maglalaba ka, magluluto ka. Hindi part of the job yan. You're distracted. Who are you meeting? Sabi ko, dalawa lang, di ba? Simplify everything. Menu. Paano maganda ang Sunday service natin so people can encounter God? Pangalawa, sinong kinakausap mo at minamahal mo at pinapastor mo? Dalawa lang. Kaya Makati, wala masyadong event. This week lang kami may event. Right? Why? These are the only 2 things that we do. Because we want to be good at what we do. Right? Eliminate unnecessary distractions. Sorry guys. Okay. Reduce social media. Yeah. Excessive meetings and multitasking to allow deep focus. I'll touch that more later. Right? Pero imagine mo, ilang hours kayo na sa social media. Consumer ka, hindi ka producer. Yan ang problema. Kaya feeling mo wala kang time. Pero hindi totoo yan. Nag-Instagram ka 30 minutes, nag-TikTok ka 30 minutes, nag-Facebook ka 15 minutes, that's an hour 15. I could have read the book, okay? Or tinapos mo yung isang Korean drama that's 20 hours of your life. So don't tell me you don't have time tapos kilala mo lahat ng Korean actor. Nanood ka ng Squid Game, which ang main thesis lang naman is patay lahat. Okay? That's 24 hours of your life, by the way. Okay? Practice mental discipline. Train yourself to redirect attention to what truly matters in work, in faith, or personal growth. Okay. Gagawin ko to, gagawin ko to. Ito ba gagawin ko? Ito gagawin ko. Matulong ba talaga o hindi? Right?